Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Hi, this is Mohit Kakkad. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn about how we can take benefit of trending days like today, 13th of October, where we see this as an example of Bank Nifty, where it started as a sideways trading and it ended up in a very good downtrend and then again to the sideways market. So how we can take benefit of these using option buying or option selling, and also we'll check that where exactly we need to exit in an automated way so that we do not get trapped. For example, the move in the second half where it went up only to come down was kind of a trap move. And we will also review this option buying or option selling automated data strategy or help we take from the data points and compare it with paid tools like Opstra. So as you can see, the day started with a very sideways market, Bank Nifty being sideways, and later on it broke down the CPR level, the pivot level around 38,963, and also broke down the 38,917 weekly pivot levels. And then, as you can see, the newer lows were into the making, and it kept on falling where it made a lower low, and the day lows were around 38,438. And after that it just went sideways. So it most of the time it traded below the averages and the VWAPs and the pivots, etc. So we can call it a downtrending day to ending up with a sideways move. Now we'll see with the help of data how we could have captured this very easily using option buying or option selling. Now what you see here is uh, Bank Nifty signals generated using a score mechanism. This score is uh, calculated on the basis of a lot of data points using the option chain analysis, futures data analysis, looking at the Dow, looking at a lot of data crunching on volumes, etc. This is not based on any indicator like RSI, MACD, or any kind of an indicator which you would typically see on TradingView or other platforms. This is more on the data side of the things. What I typically myself do is I look at the chart first and then confirm it with the indicators that I have set up as I just showed, and then last comes the data, because the data is a little delayed, so this comes just at the last for us for a confirmation. So as you can see, the system started right from the top. As soon as market opened, the data was negative, and it suggested a 39,000 PE buy straight. So we wait for a while, and then here we start with a here we start with the PE buy. On the column AK, you see the PE buy signals. So the strike price keeps on changing as per the market moves, whereas on this column CF, you see there is a constant same signal that we have first generated. Otherwise, this will remain same till the point there is a new signal that has been generated. So this is for the option buying, and this is the live PNL of the same PE buy at each and every 5 minutes of interval, and this is the call sale, exact opposite of the PE buy if you want to do selling, option selling. So here you see it, as we just discussed, it was a very downtrending day. So we can see a simple plain PE buy in such kind of days would have easily given around 8 to 9,000, maxed out around 93,000. So just to buy 161 rupees put option hardly cost anything. We can calculate that 161 into one lot hardly takes 4,000, but you can see the kind of 200% return it gives in such days. So I'll say it's difficult to capture the whole move, or I mean to enter and exit at the top always, but easily if one keeps trailing, he can make good money out of it. So the system itself has some mechanism to kick you out when the trend has been weakening. So here you will see the signals will stop coming here, and it will take you out if you are still in the trade around 6.5k. This is on the option buying. Similarly, you can see if you have gone with the option selling because it's an expiry day, you want to take advantage of theta as well, want to play it safe, not want to do the option buying, the option selling would have also given around 4,000. Even if we see, the scores were kind of mixed bag here. So there was no after the put buy, there was no call buy generated by the system. That we can see the timestamp here, 2 p.m. So after 2 p.m. there was no trade zone. It was a mixed. So if we just held both the options on the sell side, we could have just ended up a day with the 5.5k rupees per lot. When we say 5.5k here, it is on the strangle, PE sale and a CE sale. However, it's just an example, representative example, to show you that how you could have easily traded the day just using the data point itself and not looking at chart or any indicator. However, as I said earlier, I personally look at the price action first, then the indicators, and then data is the last confirmation for me. So now what we're going to see is, like, we see our signals stopped generating at 2 p.m. onwards, whereas if we see the chart onwards it went up, but we did not get a CE buy, and there is a reason for that. You can see it came down to only close at around the same level where it might have given a buy signal. Now I'll take you to the Opstra website where you'll see the same kind of a mechanism what they have in their paid feature. Okay, so this is the Opstra website. So here we go to open interest, go to the total open interest. This is the paid feature of Opstra. Here I've already saved the TUI watch list for the 39,000 strike because that's the strike we were discussing for the option buying or option selling. Okay, so here we click on the intraday 1 day view. So you can see here we have these two lines, red and the yellow. This denotes the exponential moving average on the TUI line. So this TUI line is also based upon the data line what they provide. So as you can see, it was a downtrending day, the TUIs was down, and the moving average crossover what they give is also around 2:05 p.m. where it went up. So if someone would have taken a trade here using Opstra paid signal, even he would have been trapped. But there are ways to fix this if you combine a lot of other factors as well. So that's what we have done here. If we come back to our sheet, we came out of the system automatically do not gives any signal. As you can see, this signals that are getting generated based upon the core file, because of this sheet being shared with a lot of members. So the core files do not gives any signals when the M score, which is based upon a lot of calculation, is below a certain value. So that's how we get saved, and this is the point where if we want to have to do, we'll do strangle or a straddle, because there is a sideways movement expected in these times. So what you can see is here, very easy way of doing an automated option buying or option selling. Typically in the trending days, option selling gives you good money, but not all days are trending, only a couple of days are trending. Otherwise the BankNifty is still violent, it gives you a lot of scalping opportunities. Otherwise see, you will notice for a longer duration of time, if you do option selling, you'll eventually end up with a good amount of theta money being generated. So this is a representative example of today's market, where easily if you could have entered any time during the day when we were having a put buy signal generated, just went to -500, and then anywhere you could have easily exited around 4-5k. Similarly on the selling side as well, at least 4K was there on the plate to be taken. And had you done mixed signals, which is like when the signal stopped coming, had you entered a strangle position over here, you could have easily entered the entered the or finished the expiry with a 5.5K profit. So this is on one lot. So just think, if you do multiple lots, uh, the rewards can be multifold as well. So just wanted to share what we have here. If you would like to get access to this, you can send me a note on WhatsApp. I'll give you access to it. It's not paid or anything. I don't like doing all those things. So I can share it. Just notice it. If it works for you, fine. If it doesn't, you just ignore it. So that's the video all about. If you like it, just hit like to the video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.